Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping and lag in Valorant on PS5, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First on Valorant, press triangle and then go to server and select the server with a lowest ping here, because it can be Tokyo and the ping will be unbearable, right? And after you do so, then you need to test if the game you're getting high ping and lag. And if that's the case, then go to settings. Then always what I suggest you to do here, if you're using Wi-Fi and if there is possibility for you to use Ethernet cable, always use Ethernet cable, because you will always get more stable connection, right? Then go to network, then go to test internet connection and look if you're getting good internet speed, download speed and upload speed as well. And if it's not the case, then what I suggest you to do here is to restart your router and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here next is to go on settings, go to set up internet connection, find your internet connection that is connected, press options button, and then go to Wi-Fi frequency bands. And here, if your router is close to your PS5, always use 5 Hz, because it will be way faster. But if your router is on another floor, another room, it's quite far from your PS5, use 2.4 because it will be more stable connection, but less fast, right? And also then what you need to do here, go to advanced settings, go to DNS settings, make it to manual, and then on primary DNS, write 8.8.8.8. And on secondary, you need to write 8.8.4.4. And look if the problem persists after you save settings. If you're still getting high ping and lag, then on primary DNS server, you need to try to another one that is 1.1.1.1. And on secondary, 1.0.0.1. And also on MTU settings, make it to manual and make, if your internet is not stable and jumps around, try to make it to 1475. And then still, if you're not getting good results, make it to 1450, right? And apply the changes, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.